Hello and welcome back to Sci-Fi Tech. In a previous video I did a teardown of this old electric toothbrush. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a portable drill by modifying an old electric toothbrush, and I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get started. And these are the three items that came from the electric toothbrush: the DC motor and the electric toothbrush control, and also these two little items. One is an electric connector to connect two wires together, and the other is just a drill bit. Now let's go and assemble this project and let's get started. First I'm going to go and take this electrical connector, unscrew it a little bit, and now take the drill bit and insert it. And now screw it into place so that way it holds the drill bit nice and tight. The only issue that I can see with this is that it's uneven, so it's likely that this drill is going to vibrate a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the screw that's on the other end, and this will attach to the DC motor. Don't go all the way, otherwise we'll get stuck on the screws. Carefully insert it, tighten the screw so it stays in place. Take some electrical tape and wrap it around the DC motor. Doing this will prevent any kind of short circuits. And I'll place on the electric toothbrush circuit. Next, take some more electrical tape and attach the two parts together. And I'll take some more electrical tape and wrap it around the battery so that way everything stays more organized. Next, as you can see, there's a positive and a negative, and I need to connect the DC motor to these connections. First, I'm going to go and solder in the positive and negative, so that way it'll be easier to solder the wires to it. Take a red wire and solder it to the positive, and a black wire and solder it to the negative. And now solder the negative to negative, and then the positive to positive. And there, the circuit is now complete. And there, the project is now complete. Let's go ahead and test it out. So what I need to do is just simply push one of these buttons. Don't remember which one it was because I don't have the housing. Oh, and as you can see, it's this top button. And there, as you can see, it works. And you can also see there's an issue. You can see that the drill bit wobbles a lot. That's because of this little wire connector causing it to vibrate and wobble too much. So this will kind of work like a drill, and also the shaft of that DC motor also is slightly bent like this, and this will also cause it to vibrate too much. So with it vibrating too much, it's not really going to drill any holes very well, it's just going to make a big mess. So now I'm going to try to drill into some wood, and you can see it doesn't really work, adding too much force and too much vibration on that DC motor, causing the circuit to switch off. Let's try this again, but onto softer material, like some cardboard. I have right here a piece of cardboard, and let's go ahead and turn the drill back on again. Basically just randomly push buttons, because I don't know which button to push. Okay, there we go, it's turned on, and let's try it on cardboard, and it kind of works. Still not very well, and as you can see it made a big hole because the drill bit wobbles too much, so it's not going in very straight. Okay, there we go, turned on. Let's try again, and it still doesn't work. Okay, so obviously you can see that the shaft is too bent, causing it to vibrate too much, and of course this wire connector causes it to be off balance and vibrate too much. So yeah, and as you can see, it's just a novelty item. And there you have it. Now you know how to not make a portable drill out of an old electric toothbrush. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.